Hi, I'm Chef Heidi Kise, a culinary specialist with Gordon Food Service in the Chicagoland area. And today I'm here to talk to you about our pomegranate blueberry vinaigrette. We're going to make a berry salad with sugared pepitas. We'll go ahead and get started. We'll add the sugar to the pan. We're just going to give it a shake one time to get a nice even layer. And we want to melt the sugar. Now that our sugar has melted, we're adding our toasted pepitas. We're adding some Maldon sea salt, and then we're also adding cayenne pepper. Pour these onto a prepared tray. We're going to go ahead and build the rest of the salad right now. Our base is going to be spinach. We have here some toasted farro. We'll add our avocado, goat cheese, blueberries, the red onions as well, lime zest, which pairs really nicely. We'll add some fresh mint, and then will be this beautiful, playful, unique dressing right over the top. And then the finale, we have our crispy, sweet and salty pepitas, and there you go. For more inspiration and recipes, visit us at gfs.com.